In a time when virtual currencies are upending established financial practices, none other than Ripple's XRP has recently captured Wall Street's attention like nothing else. The murmurs have turned into cries as estimates have surpassed the startling $10,000 threshold per XRP. But why is this forecast so optimistic? Is there a real foundation for these numbers, or is this just a speculative frenzy? This essay explores the core of the issue and explores the mechanisms that have the ability to take XRP to previously unheard of heights. In the congested cryptocurrency market, Ripple and its digital currency, XRP, stand out for their innovative approach to fixing practical issues. In contrast to a lot of cryptocurrencies that have surfaced as substitutes for fiat money, with the financial services sector in mind, XRP was created. With its quick and inexpensive cross-border financial transactions, it provides a useful feature that many other cryptocurrencies do not. The ledger of XRP can process up to 1,500 transactions per second, demonstrating its scalability in addition to speed. This makes it a viable foundation for contemporary finance, especially in areas where current systems are slow and unwieldy, such as international banking and remittances. Furthermore, unlike many of its competitors that operate slightly outside of the financial mainstream, Ripple's partnerships with financial institutions across the world not only increase the usefulness of XRP, but also firmly establish it into the current financial systems. Although the bold $10,000 threshold per XRP has drawn attention from all directions, it wasn't created overnight. Analysts' observations of the growing XRP acceptance by significant financial actors and its innovative technology developments have been the main drivers of this statistic. The forecast represents a radical change in perceptions and beliefs about cryptocurrencies as a reliable form of investing. Prominent financial institutions such as Blackrock have alluded to the possibility of cryptocurrencies, such as XRP, transforming the financial terrain. These endorsements are crucial because they give legitimacy and generate a lot of interest from both institutional and individual investors. It's important to understand, though, that these forecasts also carry a significant risk and some speculation. It would take the perfect combination of favorable laws, technological developments, and market conditions for XRP to reach $10,000. For XRP, the participation of powerful financial organizations like BlackRock is revolutionary. Their curiosity about digital currencies and blockchain technology suggests that they are prepared to incorporate these developments into established financial procedures. This could result in broad adoption for XRP as well as endorsement, which could significantly change the dynamics of the market. Other institutions may be inspired to add to or divest from their Bitcoin assets by BlackRock's cryptocurrency exploration. This might result in stronger demand and hence a higher price for XRP. The support of these organizations not only increases investor confidence, but also draws a fresh group of conventional investors to the cryptocurrency space. It is impossible to overestimate the cascading effects of this institutional support. It provides strong evidence for the usefulness of XRP and supports its potential to be a major player in the financial industry going forward. Technically speaking, the price trajectory of XRP over time shows a trend of unstable peaks followed by stabilization periods. This is true of many cryptocurrencies, but with XRP, it's especially noticeable because of its distinct market position and news-driven sensitivity. As compared to the early extreme swings, recent patterns show a gradual increase in trade volume and price stability. Increased institutional interest and wider acceptability in financial transactions may be the cause of this. If overall market conditions hold, technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD point to a bullish short to medium-term outlook. Anyone hoping to invest using the $10,000 prediction has to understand these technical components. It's important to recognize when the market is exhibiting indications of consolidation or correction in addition to focusing on the highs. Numerous essential elements support the potential growth of XRP. Its main benefit lies in its ability to facilitate international payments. Ripple has partnered with a number of global banks and financial organizations that utilize and promote XRP's technology. Practical applications of XRP rely heavily on the continued development of RippleNet, which improves cross-border transaction efficiency and interoperability. These developments are significant because they lay the groundwork for the digital currency's future expansion and increased acceptability. The demand for XRP is also being driven by the growing attention being paid to blockchain technologies in the financial services industry. As more organizations use Ripple's technology, XRP's intrinsic worth will probably rise and add to the cryptocurrency's total market value. Both speculative interest and XRP's potential utility have a significant impact on investor behavior and market sentiment. Buying frenzy fueled by optimism frequently gives way to risk-averse sell-offs, especially in light of commercial or regulatory developments. Predicting price fluctuations requires an understanding of this attitude. Social media and financial news are important factors in influencing how people view XRP. As demonstrated by previous rallies, good news typically causes prices to rise quickly. On the other hand, unfavorable reports or ambiguity surrounding legislation may result in sudden drops. Investors who are contemplating XRP based on the $10,000 forecast must be aware of the current market attitude and how it may intensify both positive and negative price changes. A crucial element for all cryptocurrencies, including XRP, is the regulatory landscape. Regulatory clarity has the potential to either greatly benefit the currency or present significant obstacles. The legal standing of XRP is still being investigated in a number of jurisdictions, which may have an impact on its uptake and utilization. Latest developments in the continuing legal dispute between Ripple and the United States. Investor confidence in its price have been directly impacted by the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. If Ripple's situation turns out well, XRP can see a strong positive trend. Investors ought to closely monitor regulatory changes since they have an impact on XRP's present holdings as well as the environment in which it will function going forward. When positioned next to industry titans like Ethereum and Bitcoin, a different value proposition is offered by XRP. XRP is specifically designed for the financial services sector, in contrast to Ethereum, which is appreciated for its smart contract capabilities, and Bitcoin, which is largely considered as a store of value. Because of its expertise, XRP is in a unique position to gain from advancements in financial technology and global banking regulations. Its performance is fueled by its unique use cases and partnerships in addition to the general trends in the cryptocurrency market. In addition to its possible price growth, XRP's position in the changing digital payments industry may appeal to investors seeking to diversify their holdings. Even in the most optimistic of scenarios, XRP still has a number of dangers and obstacles that could prevent it from hitting or even surpassing the $10,000 threshold. Regulatory risks continue to be of utmost importance, as prolonged legal disputes may have an effect on market sentiment and institutional adoption. Even with advancements, there may still be technical issues with network scalability when transaction volumes increase. Furthermore, new coins and technologies are always developing in the competitive world of digital currencies, which means that XRP may eventually lose out to them. Investors need to carefully consider these risks in relation to the possible returns. To make well-informed investing decisions, one must have a balanced awareness of these variables. Experts in cryptocurrency and finance offer conflicting but generally positive predictions for XRP's future. While some consider the $10,000 estimate to be unduly optimistic, others think it's a realistic goal, given the correct market circumstances and technical developments. Economic researchers stress how critical it is to keep a careful eye on technological advancements and market trends. These experts' insights frequently emphasize the value of long-term plans above quick profits, encouraging investors to take into account the larger economic environment in which XRP works. These professional evaluations can offer insightful viewpoints that assist investors in navigating the intricacies of Bitcoin investments and market dynamics. The future possibilities for XRP are very diverse. In the best-case scenario, institutional adoption rises and regulatory obstacles are removed. The value of XRP might soar, perhaps hitting the much-discussed $10,000 threshold. More cautious estimates, however, take into account the effects of technology constraints, competitive pressures, and market saturation. Even while substantial increases anticipated in these scenarios, it may not quite reach the highest points of the most optimistic forecasts. When organizing their investment strategy, investors should take these various projections into account, keeping in mind both the probable highs and the prospective lows. Excessive market projections, like as the $10,000 estimate for XRP, can significantly affect investors' mental well-being. Such projections have the potential to create speculative bubbles, in which investor euphoria rather than underlying fundamentals drives price increases. Yet, if the expected price levels are not attained fast enough, they may cause disappointment and severe sell-offs. Gaining insight into the psychological factors at work might assist investors in keeping a clear head and emphasizing long-term value above quick profits. Investors must always be mindful of the ways in which psychological and market feelings can affect trading patterns and, consequently, market pricing. Following a thorough examination of the variables affecting XRP's price and its ability to hit $10,000, it becomes evident that even while the goal is lofty, it is not totally unachievable. But it depends on a lot of good things coming together just right, like institutional adoption across the board, regulatory clearances, and major technology developments. It's critical for investors to stay knowledgeable and prudent, striking a balance between hope and a realistic understanding of how unstable and unpredictable the cryptocurrency market can be. The trip to $10,000 for each XRP, if it occurs, it will probably be turbulent and full of difficulties, but for those who manage it well, it may also be fruitful. The consequences of XRP possibly hitting $10,000 are substantial for investors. In addition to providing early adopters with substantial rewards, it might completely change the industry by demonstrating the usefulness of cryptocurrencies in traditional financial transactions. Investors want to think about diversifying their holdings, keeping up with industry and regulatory changes, and implementing a risk management plan takes into account the extreme volatility of the cryptocurrency market. In the end, XRP's potential as an investment vehicle and its effects on the financial sector continue to be an engaging story that is always changing, capturing the vibrant and exciting essence of the cryptocurrency market.